fucking down. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking do it, okay? Const macros by system, K layout. Glyph magnitude. It's 32 by 32 pixels when we rasterize our glyph. Monkey wrench macro, okay. Pig tile. This is the function we've been working on. In the variable declaration, we have, we're getting rid of these variables because they're fucking confusing, and we're going to stick with glyph subtile width and height, okay? We're going to use this. It should be 4 and 4, respectively, and this is our glyph magnitude, which is 32, and hopefully this math is correct now, right? So this is the width and height in pixels of one binary tile of the 8x8 graphic, and then some asserts here to make sure that this is exactly 4 and 4 for the rasterized binary tile. Okay, let's go down to the next section. Okay, square gradient first. We're going to draw the square gradient and then composite the glyph numbers on top of it. So kgx and kgy exist on a 128 by 128. The magnitude of our tile is 128 pixels. Cool, cool, cool. Air check some shit, and then we're going to loop through locally 0 to 128 inclusively, and we're going to use our helper function to get the luminosity of our square gradient, and then we are going to get mgx and mgy by taking this value and tacking it on to the tile origin, right? So we're just taking this local value and globalizing it into mgx and mgy, and then we have to take mgx, mgy, and convert it into the actual address of the first byte of the pixel, right? So turn it into a one-dimensional pixel index, multiplied by 4 to get the component address. And hey, aren't we fucking forgetting something? We sure fucking are. Moving on. Okay, grab stamp location. Okay, in this section, we're just doing some bug checking, making sure that when we take the magnitude of the selection region that it's exactly 32 by 32. We're good there. Okay, grab binary pixel. So we want to localize mx and my, zero it out, and then divide by the size of one binary tile in pixels to get bpx and bpy within our 8x8 image. We're going to turn it into a one-dimensional address. We're going to bounds check, make sure that everything's in that 0 to 7 inclusive range. We're going to grab the graphic, and then we're crashing fucking here because something's fucking wrong. Okay, right binary pixel. Okay, this was in the wrong fucking place. Now it's in the correct place. When we have 0 for the binary pixel, we leave the gradient in the background. Okay, here's what I did previously. We got our footnotes and stuff. Like and fucking subscribe. You have been here. If you want a longer explanation, go here. We don't have any fucking time here. Like and subscribe. I'm making the game engine from scratch. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder.